Nestled in a residential area of North Jakarta, Indonesia, this 600 square meter house sits on a 440 square meter plot of land. The location presents a unique challenge, with the site facing a bustling main road on the west side and a quieter alley on the south. The prominent building line on the west side of the property significantly limits the available space for construction. Recognizing this constraint, the design strategically places the main entrance on the south side, facing the alley. This clever adjustment frees up space on the west side, which is transformed into an inviting open-air gathering area. The outdoor space seamlessly extends from the main living room, maintaining a sense of privacy by situating the living room slightly away from the entrance. Despite being designed for a small family, the house accommodates the frequent visits of their large extended family. This need for flexible space influences the design, leading to a compact yet functional layout. The architectural concept is centered around the compartment box idea, where the spaces are organized into two distinct mass boxes. These boxes are further defined by bold material choices on the facade, creating a strong visual identity. The open space, strategically placed between the third and fourth floors, introduces light and air into the structure, breaking the rigidity of the box-like form. This void also allows for creative openings, ensuring the house remains well ventilated and filled with natural light. In keeping with the owner's preferences, the structure embraces a modular design, paired with modern architectural details. The monochrome palette, highlighted by black lines in door and window frames, sets a contemporary tone throughout the building. Accent colors, introduced through furniture and decor, bring warmth and character to the space. Exposed materials such as cement in the living room, painted brick in the study, and solid wood in communal areas add texture and depth to the interior. The west side of the property, where existing large trees are preserved, becomes a serene garden area. Shaded by these trees, the garden features a spacious pool and deck, doubling as a gathering spot and an extension of the living room, perfect for family get-togethers.